News, Abua.
The Independent National Electoral Commission, INEC, has officially recognized Shehu Gabam as the national chairman of the party, replacing Sadiq Abubakar Gombe. INEC's decision follows a ruling by the Court of Appeal, which effectively nullified the earlier recognition of Gombe. For months, the party had been split into camps. One faction maintained that Gombe assumed the leadership after the alleged suspension of Gabam. The other insisted Gabam remained the legitimate chairman, despite the controversy surrounding his position. At the grassroots, the impact was real. Party members described the period as a season of crisis, with no clear directives and growing frustration over the lack of unity. The turning points came in quite quiet but decisive in the courtroom in Abuja. In its ruling, the Court of Appeal criticized the lower court's decision that declared Gombe as chairman, describing it as, I quote, perverse, a strong legal term indicating that the conclusion had no basis in evidence. More significantly, the appellate court drew a firm line on the role of judiciary in party politics. It stressed that leadership disputes within political parties are internal matters, and one that courts should not act as referees in such conflicts. The panel of justices further held that the lower court lacked the jurisdiction to entertain the dispute surrounding Gabam's alleged suspension and Gombe's emergence. With INEC now aligning with that judgment, attention shifts back to the party's rank and file, many of whom are hoping this marks the end of a turbulent chapter and the beginning of a clearer directive ahead of future political engagements.
And operatives of the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission